In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts on Robinhood. This is a great way to stay informed about your investments without constantly checking the app. Let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your device. This is your main hub for tracking investments, so make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, search for the stock, ETF, or crypto you want to track. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to easily find your desired asset. Select it to proceed to its chart page. On the Assets chart page, you'll see various options. Look for the bell icon, also known as the notifications icon. This is where you'll manage your alerts. Once you tap it, you'll get options specifically for stocks and ETFs. Tap on Price Alerts to continue your setup. Next, tap Add Alert. Here, you have the flexibility to choose how you want to be informed. You can set alerts for when the price moves above a certain level or below it. This is important because it helps you take action when the market hits your target. Enter your desired target price for either or both options. Once you've entered your target prices, tap Save. This step is crucial because it ensures that your alert is active. Robinhood will now send you a push notification when the asset reaches your specified price level. This confirmation gives you peace of mind knowing you won't miss important market movements. Now, let's enable general price movement alerts for a broader view. Tap the account icon, which looks like a person. From there, open the menu by tapping the three lines at the top of your screen. Navigate to Settings, then to Notifications and Messages, and finally to Push Notifications. Under the sections labeled My Holdings or My Watch Lists, enable stock price movements. This feature is useful for monitoring all the stocks you're interested in. You can choose to receive alerts for price moves of 5% or 10%. Additionally, you can enable alerts for when a stock hits its 52-week high or low. This can be particularly insightful for long-term trends. For those who prefer email notifications, you can turn on email price alerts as well. Go back to the Account section, then Menu, and into Settings again. This time, select Notifications and Messages, followed by Email Notifications. Here, enable the Stock Price Movements option. Email alerts serve as a backup, ensuring you receive notifications even if your phone isn't handy. Before we wrap up, here's a crucial tip. Make sure notifications are enabled for the Robinhood app in your device's settings. If they aren't, you won't receive any alerts, which defeats the purpose of setting them up. Double-check your phone's notification settings to avoid missing out. With everything set up, you should now feel confident about staying informed on your investments. Remember, these alerts provide timely updates that can help you make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing with Robinhood.